When it comes to kitchen essentials, few tools are as versatile and indispensable as a good ladle. From classic stainless steel designs to modern silicone options, today's ladles come in a variety of materials, sizes, and styles to suit every kitchen need. In this guide, we've rounded up the best 5 ladles that stand out for their durability, ease of use, and smart design. Number 5, JR. Get It Right Silicone Ladle Serving Spoon, Non-Stick Heat-Resistant Kitchen Ladle Spoon for soups, stews, dressings, and more. Slate. About this item: 100% silicone ladle, made from soft, sturdy silicone Thados anti-scratch, perfect on non-stick surfaces, and flexible enough to empty deep pots and pans. This ultimate ladle measures 9.0 in L handle x 4.3 in diameter bowl, 12.3 in total length. Ultimate spoon head. This ultimate ladle holds underscore of a cup or 150 milliliters of your favorite gravies, soups, stews, liquid dishes, dressings, and sauces. Designed with a precision pouring edge that won't spill a drop and a flexible, yet sturdy silicone bowl which scoops hard-to-reach corners. Number 4, Silicone Pasta Fork and Ladle Spoon Set, large non-stick kitchen utensils for cooking, stirring, serving spaghetti, soup, sauce, black. About this item: more safe and healthy. Our kitchen utensils are made of food-grade silicone, free of BPA. Even at high temperatures, there is no need to worry about melting or deforming, and the soft silicone head won't scratch the coating. It can better protect your pot. Thoughtful design. The good quality 18/8 stainless steel keeps you away from the trouble of kitchen utensils rusting or breaking. This anti-scald silicone handle is not easy to conduct heat and is more comfortable to hold than traditional utensils. Number 3, Wooden Ladle for Cooking, Soup Spoon Ladle, Teak Wooden Serving Spoon, 12.4 handle, medium scoop size 2 ounces, eco-friendly, natural and sustainable. About this item: heavy checkmark lifelong quality. We produce spoons, spatulas and utensils so that you can use them for a lifetime. Feel delighted as this tool has smooth edges, is sanded properly, is durable, and has a superb finish. Heavy checkmark perfect size for a practical use. This 2.0-ounce spoon ladle will meet all cooking and serving needs. Ready for soups. Number 2, KitchenAid KE0060 Jojoba Classic Nylon Ladle. About this item: large ladle. This large ladle depth is perfect for dishing out gravies, soups, stews, liquid dishes, dressings, and sauces. The ladle head measures 3.055 inches depth x 3.44 inches wide, heat resistant. The nylon material is safe for all cookware, including non-stick. The ladle head is heat resistant to 450 degrees Fahrenheit per 232 degrees Celsius. Number 1, OXO Good Grip Stainless Steel Ladle. About this item: sturdy stainless steel ladle neatly scoops soups, sauces and gravy. Dual-sided pour spouts make serving easy for right and left-handed users. Angled design keeps liquid in the ladle when scooping. Soft, comfortable, non-slip grip, even when wet. Polished design for kitchen-to-table appeal.